mini salamis. So I have a new partner today, Kendall, because Alana is a butt and she isn't here. So, okay, so today we're going to show you how to make DIY slime. This is the samples. Just warning you, it will make your hands be like this.
It is very
and it is flammable, and if you keep it on like normal, it can cause death. So
we looked it up.
So this is how you start. You make sure you just get this fabric tack glue for like cross stitching, and then you put it on your fingers like this.
Rena,
Let it dry. Put it on your fingers like this. Oh my gosh, yeah.
zoom in on that.
Okay, like this, and you just keep wrapping it around. Yeah. Okay, now you just let it dry, and if you're impatient like me, you just roll it around, and like keep making like it like this.
Okay, peel it off and make it.
Okay, I'll peel it off for them, and then you
Wait, I didn't get my finger in.
keep going like this.
You peel it off.
And sorry for the distraction. We're at a construction site. In the Bahamas. Okay, then you just keep going like this, and it
Perfect.
And then so you just
I need more.
while you get sort of that thick consistency, you just keep rubbing it around, and yeah, that's not it yet. That's the after part. And you just keep going like this.
Once it starts getting white,
Yeah.
then you know that it's ready.
And then you just want to start rubbing it like that. Oh my gosh. So you can definitely see that there's something forming. So then you just keep rubbing, and it's okay if you don't get all of it. It's just as long as you get some. And you're going to have to do this like probably 10 times if you want enough like slime to actually play with. And you keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing like this.
Where's the glue?
Yeah. This is extra sticky today.
Alright, now
Then you're just gonna like try to just leave it on the. See? It already works.
and it is magically turned into
Oh
slime.
my gosh, guys. So leave a comment.
Can I say something?
What is your favorite
Can I say
food?
something?
And Miss
What is your
Rena
favorite
wants to
food?
say something.
Is it salami?
Okay, there we go.
No, I didn't say anything. I didn't say
Okay, then say it.
You're cool.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, subscribe.